What is cloud computing? And what is the future of cloud computing? Cloud computing has been one of the biggest buzzwords in the tech industry over the past decade. But what is it exactly? And why is it the future of computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the Internet. Instead of owning and maintaining your own computing infrastructure, you can rent it from a third-party provider, who manages the hardware, software, and networking for you. Cloud computing is revolutionizing the way we do business. It's allowing companies of all sizes to access powerful computing resources, without the need for a huge upfront investment. And it's giving us the ability to scale up and down quickly, as our needs change. Cloud computing is made up of three main types of services: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. We've been using SaaS applications for years now, and it's been a game changer for our business. We don't have to worry about managing software updates or security patches, it's all taken care of for us. Behind the scenes, cloud computing relies on massive data centers, filled with thousands of servers and networking equipment. These data centers are managed by some of the biggest tech companies in the world, like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Cloud computing engineer, the scale of these data centers is really incredible. We're talking about thousands of servers, all working together to deliver computing services to millions of users around the world. Cloud computing has also enabled us to work from anywhere, at any time. With access to the Internet, we can access our work files, applications, and data from any device. Remote worker, I've been working remotely for years now, and I couldn't imagine going back to a traditional office. With cloud computing, I can work from anywhere in the world, as long as I have an internet connection. Cloud computing is changing the way we work, play, and live. It's giving us access to powerful computing resources, and enabling us to work from anywhere in the world. It's the future of computing, and it's here to stay.